Hello students, how are you? I know you all are fine. And how was your exam? I know it was good. But students, now we have to start our new session with new potential and with new some extra. Yes, we need new potential. We need some extra efforts. And here again we are going to start our new session. So all the best. I know you're getting bored at home, but we don't have any option, students. So at home only we have to learn many things like as a school. Okay, all the best. Today in 6th standard we are going to learn lesson number 10, famous works. Means some famous personality we are going to learn today. Okay, let's begin our session with new lesson. Yes, here lesson number 10, famous works. Language and literature. So students, we all are knowing the famous personality in film industries. We all are knowing the famous personality in different kind of industries. But we don't know such people or such persons, those who are famous as authors. So that is why here today in our GK book, lesson number 10 is mentioned as a famous works. Some authors have become world famous because of their excellent literary works. Write the names of the books given in the help box below, the names of their authors in the blanks provided. Students, in our textbooks, in our languages textbooks, or in our the other subjects textbooks, we are getting lot of knowledge. Yes, everybody knows it, but whatever knowledge we are getting, so directly doesn't come in the textbook. For that, some people like authors or some good personalities, those who have knowledge about literature. So like these people, we are what our education people are doing, what they are doing. The famous personalities or those who are great authors, they collecting many things from their books. Okay, and which then they understand which lesson is better for which standard, for 5th standard, for 9th standard, for 6th standard, there should be which lesson. So they find some passages, they find some lessons from those books which are written by authors, and they collect it, and they means they get print in our textbook. So that is why we are knowing some authors, famous authors. So here we are going to learn, first person is Vikram Seth. Okay, he is a famous personality and he lives in Kolkata. Okay, he got Padma Shri award. He got Padma Shri award. So today we are going to learn what and which books he has written. Okay, so first is he has written Two Lives book. Two Lives. Then he has written A Suitable Boy. Then third, he has written The Golden Gates. These three books are famous in the world. That is why Vikram Seth is a good author, and he is also famous by these books which has written by him. He is famous in the world. Got it? So students, in your notebook you have to write the name of this person and write those books which I explain in the video, and write down in your book. Once again I am telling the names of the books which has written by Vikram Seth. First one is Two Lives. Second one is A Suitable Boy, and third one is The Golden Gates. Write down in your book. Now, second one. The famous person is R.K. Narayan. The famous person is R.K. Narayan. He is from Madras. He is also an Indian author. He is from Madras and he awarded by Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan also. He rewarded by Padma Bhushan and Padma Vibhushan also. He is a good author. So here are the books which he has written. One, Malgudi Days. He has written Malgudi Days. Then second one is Guide. Second one is Guide. And next, third is Mr. Sampath. Third is Mr. Sampath. Once again, I am repeating, students. Write down in your notebook. Write down the name of the author, R.K. Narayan, and write down the famous books is written by him. First is Malgudi Days. First is Malgudi Days. Second is Guide. And third is Mr. Sampath. Okay, now we are going to see third famous personality, Mulk Raj Anand. Mulk Raj Anand. Born in Pakistan. He is born in Pakistan, but he known as an Indian famous author. Okay, he also rewarded Padma Bhushan award. Okay, so what kind of books he has written? Which books he has written? He has written the book Coolie. Coolie. Then next he has written the book Untouchable. Untouchable. And next, The Village. He has written the book The Village. Once again, listen and write down. First is Coolie. Second is Untouchable. And third is The Village. So these three books are written. Means actually he has written many books, but these three books are famous. So that is why we are writing only few books or some books which is written by authors. Okay, got it? You can find many books from the net also which has written by these three authors. Okay, we'll go for next. Next is Charles Dickens. Next is Charles Dickens. He is from UK. He is famous in United Kingdom. He is from UK, but he is famous in world also. He is famous in world also. So which books are written by him? Which books are written by him? A Tale of Two Cities. A Tale of Two Cities. Next is David Copperfield. David Copperfield. And the next is Oliver Twist. Oliver Twist. Once again, I am repeating, students. You have to write down in your notebook. A Tale of Two Cities. The book is written by Charles Dickens. Next is David Copperfield. Next is David Copperfield. And next is Oliver Twist. Next is Oliver Twist. Yes, now the fifth one we are going to see. He is also a famous author, V.S. Naipaul. The name V.S. Naipaul. He is a British writer. He is also from UK. He awarded Nobel Prize in literature. In literature, he awarded Nobel Prize. Okay. Now what books he has written? We are going to see which books he has written. V.S. Naipaul. A Bend in the River. A Bend in the River. Write down, students. A Bend in the River. Next, The Middle Passage. The Middle Passage. Next, An Area of Darkness. Next is An Area of Darkness. Okay. Next personality is Next personality is Rudyard Kipling, or here we can say Rudyard Kipling also. Rudyard Kipling. He was born as an English journalist. He is famous as an English journalist and born in Mumbai. Okay, got it? So Rudyard Kipling is famous as a journalist. And here we are going to see which books he has written. He has written The Jungle Book. He has written The Jungle Book. Next is The Light That Failed. Next is The Light That Failed. And the next is Kim. Next is Kim. K-I-M. Kim. These three books I am going to tell again. Rudyard Kipling has written books which is The Jungle Book, then The Light That Failed, and then Kim. So write down by heart and learn. Students, you can find out the other things, means like where he born, when he born. You can get many things by the net of these personalities. Okay, you can learn many more things by the net. Thank you and bye bye. And next we are going to learn lesson number 9, oology, and lesson number 11, science cartoon. So be prepared. Take your notebook with you, take your pen and be ready for writing. Okay, bye bye everyone.